Alright guys, we got another car here. We have a 2023 Hyundai Elantra. So this is newer vehicles. Obviously, look at this. It's only got 10,000 miles on it. So we're gonna find out why the car is overheating and is leaking coolant according to the customer. So let's start it up first, man. Alright, man. Let's start. Let's go. Let's see. We're gonna try to check the oil first. Make sure the oil is not contaminated with some coolant. Alright, looks pretty clean to me, I think. Yep, it smells like oil, so I don't think there's coolant mixed to it. And then let's check the reservoir. Well, the reservoir is empty. Then the oil's there, and then let's check this coolant. Let's check the coolant level on this. That looked pretty empty, man. Well, I think that orange coolant is pretty empty. Well, let's do some pressure testing. Pressure testing. This tube right here, guys. So I'm gonna have to. I have this tool for a long time. I had this tool for maybe like. I had this tool for like maybe like 3 years, three or 4 years, maybe longer. Yep, get the right fitting. Something like that. Boom. It's right here. Alright, man, so I don't need to go all the way up. Let's put about a little pressure in it. Oh, I think I found a leak. Leak right there, guys. Yeah, it's leaking. Tell me that house thing's leaking, bro.
Thermal something or other module.
Thermal module? Look, this thermostat right here, it does have some electronic on it. That's probably the one you're talking about. Is that right? You gotta see the picture of the parts, how they look like. That thing has a little module on it. See that? It's 2023. So it's kind of new to us, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's only like what, a year, like 2 years older? So yeah, it's definitely leaking. The thermostat house is leaking, and that one has an electronic module. That's what it is.
Yeah.
That's having electronic
So
module.
that's what you need?
Yes, that's what I need. The complete assembly, yeah?
Alright, so this one comes with one assembly for that module and everything else.
Alright, man, we found a problem. Easy fix, guys. Easy fix. Not easy fix, easy check, easy diagnostic. So let's do this. I like this stuff right here. It feels so cool, man. It feels so cool. I like this stuff, man. I had this for a long time now. It works. Yeah. It's kind of weird how that one started leaking. It only got 10,000 miles on it. It's so weird, you know? Is this one turbo? I don't know if it's turbo. This car? I don't see no turbo. There's no turbo in it. There's an amp right there. There's an intake, so intake straight from there. So it's non-turbo. So that's why it's leaking. We find the problem. Yep, quick fix, man. Got right tools. Yep. Let's see if it's smoke. Well, that's good, you know? Well, that's good, just that leaking from there. This leaking there. We're gonna try to find this parts right here. So that part is totally damaged. Yep. 2023, man. Hyundai Elantra. That's the problem right here, guys. Yep.